Hey guys, what's going on? Gonna do a little what's going on update. Been working on this little single cylinder 4-stroke for a while now. It's gone through many a change. I was trying to custom make a chassis. That didn't really work out for me. Then we did. Then I started putting in a Endura RC crawler chassis, and you know what, that actually doesn't look too bad in there. So I've been playing around with it and trying to get it into the chassis the right way. And yeah, I think I'll take you over. We'll have a look at it. So we're pretty much almost at the point of being done now. What we're gonna do is, oops. I'll just switch the camera around here, one sec. And this is what it's looking like. So it's almost there, guys. It's almost ready to go. You know, I'll print maybe a little bracket up for that. But for now, that's okay there. And I can have a cable tie to hold it on. Dodge it up. As I said, I'm moving, so a lot of my tools and stuff are packed away and in storage. So I just have to sort of bend that and snap that up. But that's going to be the throttle servo all the way back there. So we'll have a rod linking that up, which is unfortunately going to foul with the windscreen on the body. So I'm reusing the Bronco body. I've cut the bonnet off and made some reliefs there for the motor. But just on that driver's side, this one, wiper, the linkages are going to have to come out through there, but that's not bad. We'll just drill a hole and put some fuel tubing there just to protect it. But here's what it is. Servo mount, what I printed for the crawler a while ago. Didn't end up using it, just used a factory mount, but it's come in handy for this. Body's going to be mounted inside the bar because, hey, no bonnet to mount anymore. But we've got the steering, which is pretty cool. So it's the first time it's had a servo hooked up. Got some touring car shocks at the front. They work pretty well. Got some stiff springs in there because it has got a lot of weight added to it from this motor. Gearbox is in. Oops, dropping stuff everywhere. It's a mess. This is how I work. That's the gear selector. I'm just going to leave it in one gear for now, but I will put another servo on here to control forward, neutral, and reverse. But that all works. Yeah, so I need to just put receiver's going to go there. Got to find a home for the lipo, for the glow starter, for the glow igniter and the starter motor. Yeah, so. And I've got to just come up with something that goes over the exhaust, and we'll run that out the back. I really wanted to exit out of here, but we'll see what happens. You know, this has been a long time coming, but it's finally looking pretty good. Body posts are too short, unfortunately, but put the body on just to give you an idea. Okay, now I do have to sit it because of the clearance with the motor. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. Oops. There we go. Sorry about the rough camera work there. That's gonna be like that. It's gonna have the white arch on it. Only because I committed to it now, I have to do it. Maybe we'll try and get some wider wheels under there. I did have the no prep wheels under it, but It's not too bad, but that's how we're looking like at the moment. That's the height I'm sort of hoping to keep it at. Obviously the back's got to come up a bit so the wheels don't rub. We'll put the chrome bumpers back on it. But I think that looks pretty good. I reckon. Rough and ready, a little bit rough around the edges, a bit like me. But yeah, for what it is, I'm actually looking forward to get it running, get it driving. There's the last few little things that I'm waiting on the postman to deliver, and we'll be able to button it all up. So stay tuned, guys. I'll keep you guys updated on how we're looking and when we're ready for the first drive. Take it easy. Bye for now.